Once upon a time, there used to be sites like MySpace that everyone was raving about. However, it got kicked to the curb by the new guys in town, which were Facebook and Twitter. And today, TikTok is the new kid on the block, and it's taking away main user demographics from huge platforms like Facebook and YouTube. This is proof that any social media platform can be replaced. TikTok is taking the world by storm, and it's bringing a lot of opportunities with it. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about TikTok affiliate marketing and how to make money on TikTok. Be sure you stay until the very end, where I tell you exactly how to grow your TikTok audience so you can make as much money with affiliate marketing as possible. And if you're new to the channel and want to learn how to make more money, subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll never miss a video. Why you should use TikTok. A lot of people believe that TikTok is a social media app made only for kids. In a way, there is some truth to this, but there's a lot more to it than just that. The app itself has been downloaded over 2.6 billion times. The app has a whopping 80 million active users from 155 different countries. There are currently 80 million active users in the US alone. All this basically means that TikTok is something to be taken seriously. Here are some more statistics for you. About 40% of TikTok's audience is between 16 to 24 years old. So an average affiliate marketer potentially has a target market of about 300 million or so people. And keep in mind that these people spend about 50 minutes each day on the app watching videos, and this doesn't include the time they spend uploading their own videos. So basically, if you are going to try affiliate marketing on TikTok, your niche needs to resonate with this younger audience. For example, you won't want to be pushing out home loans or retirement plans. This most likely wouldn't work. TikTok users like to spend their money on consumer products, lifestyle, gadgets, and fashion. These are the areas you should focus your affiliate marketing efforts. So now let's see how you can use TikTok for affiliate marketing. What is TikTok affiliate marketing? TikTok affiliate marketing is when you post videos to TikTok with the aim of monetizing your following through affiliate links in your videos or on an external blog or social network. You might be thinking that this sounds just like affiliate marketing on every other social media platform. However, TikTok has its advantages simply because it's so new, recently launching in 2016. Compare that to Facebook, which has been around since 2004, and Twitter, which has been around since 2006. Snapchat is even a decade old, since it came out in 2012. So for Generation Z kids, all this means that these platforms are lame. Look at it this way: any social media platform that older siblings or parents use is avoided by these kids, and this is where TikTok comes in to save the day. Ways to make money on TikTok. Now let's see how you can get massive success in your affiliate marketing campaigns with TikTok traffic. Use organic reach. The good thing is that TikTok doesn't limit how much traffic a content creator receives, so the first thing you can do is leverage free organic traffic. Sometimes TikTok is more than happy to give you tens of millions of views for absolutely free. Here are 4 ways you can make use of TikTok organic traffic. You can link to an external URL. You can link to your social profiles. You can use promo codes, and you can add a URL to your description. Here's how you can make those tactics work for you. First, let's talk about adding a link to a URL from your profile. TikTok has been going back and forth on if you can add links to videos or not. Currently, it doesn't seem to be an option, but fear not. Here's what you can do instead. You can upgrade to a business account. A personal account on TikTok won't let you put a clickable link in the profile. However, as you can see in the picture on the screen, if you upgrade to a business account, you won't have that restriction, and it's free to upgrade. This way, you'll be able to have a direct link to your blog or website from your TikTok profile, and you'll have the chance to monetize that traffic with an affiliate program of your choosing. You can also see in this picture on the screen how these brands have their links in their profiles. Redirect traffic to another social profile. This is really easy to do with TikTok. All you have to do is click the Me icon at the bottom of the screen within TikTok. Then click Edit Profile. Then you'll have a separate field for your YouTube and Instagram profiles. You might be wondering if people really subscribe to several social media platforms for the same person or brand, and the answer is you bet they do. So put your social media links in front of them whenever you can. Promote coupon codes and URLs in your videos. Advertisers know that they can get a serious return on their investment if they can get the right products in front of the right target market. This is like striking gold for them. This means that these advertisers are more than willing to give you coupons and discount codes if you're a social media influencer or TikTok affiliate marketer. All you have to do is mention this coupon code in your content. It's as simple as that. Some advertisers may even give you a specific referral URL for their affiliate marketing program. So if you're promoting a product or service, instead of giving out a discount code, you could ask them to go to this particular link and you'll get a commission for any purchases your followers make within that URL. Add an affiliate URL to your content description. This isn't the best tactic for getting people to click on your links because it requires users to copy and paste the affiliate URL into their search engine. However, there are some big influencers on TikTok using this method, so it's worth mentioning. As you can see in the picture on the screen, this TikTok influencer has an Amazon link directly in her description. I mean, if it's working for her and others on TikTok, then it could work for you too. Use TikTok's paid advertising. Now, let's say you've got the organic traffic you want, but maybe you would like to target a specific demographic. The good news is that TikTok has paid advertising options, but it's still in beta and it's not available in every country. Additionally, not all advertising campaign types are available in each country, so even if you get approved for a TikTok account, make sure you have realistic expectations. Here's what you'll see inside the campaign manager. Beware though that TikTok ads can get pretty costly. There was a 6-day hashtag challenge campaign where it cost $150,000. It could even cost upwards of $20,000 for a brand takeover video. Some of the ad packages on the cheaper end can even cost around $600. If you haven't figured it out by now, paid views are going to cost you. So if you're an affiliate marketer with a $15 a day budget, then you might want to look at other alternatives. But if you've got the cash and you're ready to put it to good use, here's what you can do. In-feed. This type of ad format allows you to embed a video ad that automatically plays within the user's feed. They can be up to 60 seconds long, but usually only last for 15 seconds. They have the same look and feel as native content on the platform. Next, we have hashtag challenge. This is a way of engaging audiences by encouraging the co-creation of content. It encourages people to interact with a specific activity that matches the hashtag. And next on the list, we have brand takeover. This is a full-screen ad that is featured as the very first thing a user sees when opening up the app. This type of ad generates mass awareness and typically has good performance since the end screen is clickable. These ads are short, usually 3 to 5 seconds, and give brands the opportunity to direct traffic to both internal and external landing pages. Overall, TikTok ads are really only a realistic option for influencers or businesses with a large 6-figure marketing budget. Before I give you some quick tips on how to grow your TikTok following, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Also, type the word yes down in the comments below if you are going to start TikTok affiliate marketing today. Growing your TikTok audience. Affiliate marketing on TikTok really only makes sense if you are getting a lot of views on your content. Here are some steps you can take to grow your TikTok following for your affiliate marketing business. Consistency. It's important to have a content creation schedule and stick to it. You need to be posting on a regular routine. This platform is all about 15 to 60 second videos, so posting these short videos frequently is important. Find trends. Take a look at what's trending and find out if any of these trends will work for the niche that you're in. Remember, it's definitely possible to create a new trend, but your time might be better spent capitalizing on what's currently trending. Network. This is good advice to follow on all social media platforms. Find others in your niche, reach out to them, become friends with them, and work together to find marketing opportunities. And lastly, don't go hashtag crazy. You don't have to go crazy on the hashtags. Hashtags are more important on platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. Using 2 to 3 hashtags on a video is the sweet spot. If you want to learn how to use video marketing to explode your business growth, click the video on the screen. Here I'll give you the complete guide to video marketing and how you can use it to make more money.